If you're watching this video, then you want to make some extra money, and guess what, guys? I found this website. It's you can make money through making tasks. I was one of the people who was thinking these things are scams, these things are not real. But guess what, guys? I tried it, I tested it. I actually recorded a first video of this, but I didn't upload it. So I'm just redoing this one. So what do you have to do in this video? Let me first show you. You see the top 5 win $10 ranks. So you do tasks, you see? They will update tasks. There are millions of millions of tasks, you see. There are those of 0 0.5, there are those of 0 0.1, there are those of 0 0.15. And guess what? So they also have a reward where if you finish in one, either number 1 or number 10, you have a prize. So when you finish in number 1 to number 5, you see they give you $10. If you finish to rank 5 to 5 to 6, minimum 15 to qualify. If you finish 6 to 10, you will win $5. So guys, you make real money because these tasks are simple. For example, they will just tell you follow page. So you say click, then you open the task link. You get? So when you open the task link, it's going to come. So when you follow the page, just take a screenshot. You get? When you follow the page, just take a screenshot and go back here. Just click tap to choose. I've put the link in the description, guys. So you click and select your screenshot, you upload it, and then click submit proof. So the team will review your task and it will give you, it will approve it. After approving it, you'll start earning. The good thing with it, you can start. Let me show you. Oh good, let me try to show you here up on my dashboard. Let me show you on my dashboard on top. So there are very many tasks, and trust me, they are simple. If you look at my dashboard, the tasks are 3,414. There are very many. Here you can look on my submissions. Let me show you some of my submissions. Okay, let's give it time to load. When you look at my submissions, you see I have 550 tasks submitted. Yesterday I did very many tasks. So I did more than 400 tasks yesterday, I think. So you see the one that we've done now is in review right now, guys, and the approved are 4549, guys. And then you can see my wallet. It's very important to know how you can withdraw. The good thing, the withdrawal limit is minimum withdrawal limit. Let me show you. Apart from my wallet, let me show you minimum with request withdraw. Okay, so let's go here to request withdraw. I think you can see here when you try to click request withdraw, they show that minimum is $1 here. I think you can see with bank transfer up to 3 days, still with mobile money, and still with Gcash. Yeah, those are the one I recommend. So you can request any withdrawal of that amount. You see last week's load board, you finish hash 14 with 195 approved tasks, reach the top 10 this week to prize. So guys, it's if you maintain the position of top 10, guys, trust me, you will be on top. And the good thing, their support is good. I talked to the guy on WhatsApp. I managed to be communicating with the guy on WhatsApp. So let's see if surely this thing is working. You get? Let's try to withdraw so that you understand everything. Just click in the link, guys. Because when you click in the link, you get some faster tasks there that earn more. So please click in the link, go get those tasks, and then start earning. Okay. Okay, so let's give it a try in withdrawing. What's Gcash? Gcash. Minimum NG. What's bank transfer? So you put full name, you put bank name, you put account number, you put phone number here. Okay. Let me just send my balance somewhere to my Nigerian friend, and let me first pause the video and show you the balance I have on the account, then we check after. Okay, so guys, I've hid this. This is the balance I have on one of my accounts with my Nigerian friend. It's online. It's 7.43. So let's try to withdraw and confirm if it's coming. So we are going to make sure you see properly the balance. I think you can see this is not an edited thing where I can say just hid some information I don't want you to see. So let's try to withdraw here. Let's open a calculator and see. There's something I want us to add. If we have 7.43 plus what we are going to withdraw, is 3.552 plus 3.552. That means you have to have 10.982. Okay, so now let's withdraw the cash and see. So guys, I finished withdrawing. Let's check if my withdrawal is successful. I think now you can see that I have 0. Okay, my last withdrawal is there down. Okay, let's check. So guys, I think the payment is still processing because it hasn't been credited, but it's 0. So let's do more tasks. Please guys, there are different tasks you can do here and they're very simple. There are millions of tasks. Just click in the link, go enjoy the tasks. It's not a lot of money that you're going, but it's some amount of money that will help you somewhere, like online. You can use it to buy these simple things on Alibaba, AliExpress. Yeah, so that's it. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. This is a buy that video I did. It's not a scam. It's not. There are simple tasks. Yes, they're paying less, but if you're a person who likes scrolling on WhatsApp, TikTok, it's better you spend this time earning something.